So, a few months ago, my wife sent me this cool tech gadget link. And it was something we didn't need, but it was really cool. And it would go with our home ecosystem. So the tech junkie that I am looked into it and said, why not send an invite for an early invitation of Amazon's Astro? And I got an email earlier this week saying you have an invitation for an early introductory price. So I clicked and purchased. So this isn't a paid unboxing or product evaluation. This is my own. Super excited to share. This is my unboxing of Amazon's Astro. Hope you enjoy. So the box itself is about maybe almost 2 feet tall, 1 foot wide, and around the box has 1, 2, and 3 labeled to unbox it. So I'm going to do so. So it was required me to undo these plugs and set to lift. And I lifted. Let's see if it does now. There we go. There's Astro. I feel like George Jetson. Got my own little Astro. All right, it's boxed very well. Undo the 2 plugs and lift up, and here we go. So if any of you have ever purchased something from Amazon and it's actually Amazon's own product, super easy, simple steps. As you can tell, 1, 2, 3, they kind of walk you through the whole process. And of course they have a box right here. It says start here. How simple can that be, right? 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. Nice little welcome kit. So I'm going to go through that before I continue. All right, so I went through the welcome guide, which talks about downloading the app, hooking up to your Wi-Fi, adding these little stickers for Astro in case you have glass or mirror doors with thin frames. It knows that there are objects there, so it doesn't bump into it or try to go through it. So those of you who don't know, I don't know if you saw this right here, this little ring sticker. Astro can integrate with a Ring ecosystem. So for 6 months, Amazon has provided the Ring Pro subscription. If you don't know what the Pro subscription does, any of you that have a Ring device, it gives you 30 days of stored recordings. It also gives you, if you subscribe to it monthly, you could also get warranty support. So if any of your products go non-functional or need to be replaced, part of that subscription is a replacement of the product. If you have an alarm system subscription, so like ADT or any other big names out there, Ring also provides alarm services for the $10 a month of the Pro subscription as well. So if you're looking to save some money and integrate to your, if you already have a Ring doorbell, integrate into a Ring ecosystem, highly recommend it. I've been using it for the past several years. Very happy with it. For $10 a month, you really can't beat it. If you want additional services, like a guard to come out a couple times a month, you could pay for additional subscription fees for that as well. So check it out. I'll continue with the unboxing. So inside this box, this looks like it's the charging dock. Kind of assume that because the way these 2 spring-loaded pins, that was dock and charge from that, and of course this must go to it, and the power adapter for the charger. So let me get that set up and I'll continue on. So inside the charging dock has some instructions talking about 1 foot by 1 foot by 5 foot for clearance for the charger, Pretty straightforward. I'm gonna connect this up, continue on. Awesome. So I got it plugged in. 1 foot away from that's close enough. 1 foot away from the curtain, 1 foot away from here. Has this nice little cable management, kind of wound it up as tight as I could. And so, pretty clean job right there. So it has an area for it to dock. Now to continue on with Arlo itself. So, nothing there, just boxing. And again, gotta love Amazon, step by step. Guess I got a lift there. So it's pretty sturdy. Lift it up, there's a little handle right here. It feels about like it's maybe about 15 pounds. So I gotta wrap it from the top. Pick it up by the handle again. Scoot it this way. It's a pretty big screen in the front. Looks like some sensors, maybe a light down at the bottom. I know what this is for. It's a cup holder. I don't know actually what it's for, but it looks like a cup holder, but it's not, of course. Yeah, let's get this thing rocking. All right, let's go get Arlo on the dock and download the app. Let's see where this goes. All right, so Arlo's charging out. Put it on the dock, and it just the screen came on. So it has the little Amazon logo, and we'll see what happens. Pretty excited. All Amazon needs to really do now is come out with a Rosie and cook me dinner, and life will be perfect. And get one of those hover cars as well. Again, you gotta love Amazon for their making it easy, step-by-step directions. So the screen's taking over and it's telling you to be patient while it's charging. So out of the box, it had about, it looked like 1/3, maybe a quarter of the battery charged. So right now it's running some diagnostics, and I don't know what else it's doing right now, but as you can tell, you can see the infrared down inside the shell. It's flashing. From the exterior, all you see is kind of some red lights flashing behind of it. You can see it better from the camera, which is pretty cool. Still running diagnostics. Looks like it's almost done. The progress bar is down at the bottom, so it looks like it's like high 90%. So let's see what happens. I'm really curious to see how friendly this is with we have a large issue of dog hair in our house. We clean it up about 3 or 4 times a day. Dogs shed in, so we'll see how this wheel on Astro conquers the terrain. Has my name on there. What was pretty cool about when I ordered this, it asked if I wanted it to be configured to my account, and I actually said yes. Any of you that have met, or actually not met, purchased things from Amazon Dots, Fire Sticks, or Fire Tablets, if you're purchasing for yourself, they automatically add it into your account. So the setup is very simplistic. pretty much out of the box, you're pretty much ready to go. You just confirm it's you with a couple of clicks, and you get to enjoy your product versus having to set everything up from scratch. It's pretty cool. So as you can tell from this next screen, it's talking about the setup. It says 5 minutes to meet Astro, 15 minutes to getting to know it, and about 30 minutes to learn the home. So I'm going to continue on and kind of accelerate through this and continue with the video.
Keep home closer with Astro. Here to help whether you're home or away. Let's take a look at some of the things you can do with Astro after it gets to know you and your home. When you're away, Astro helps you stay in the know. You can use the Astro app to see a live view of each room and check in with those at home. You can also get alerts if Astro detects certain types of activity. When you're home, Astro helps you from room to room. It can bring calls and timers directly to you. Take a snack to the bedroom, or follow you with your favorite entertainment as you listen to things like music.
So I was joking about the cup holder earlier. It is a cup holder.
So when you ask it for the weather or the news, Alexa will respond. Astro can also move on its own to make sure it's always ready to help. Every now and then, it will even hang out near you, just in case you need it. And you don't have to think about the battery, because Astro recharges itself. Let's get started by welcoming Astro to your home and trying out some things together.
So it looks like... Guys. All right, well, this was my unboxing of Astro, and I'm gonna get this buddy to look around my house and get ready. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.